Okay, so let's create another kind of ribbon. See, this time, big version of a ribbon. Okay, so now we need to inflate balloons like this. Okay, just leave 3 inches allowance at the end. Okay, now we need to make a 1-inch bubble at the middle. And create a loop here. And also here. And make a teddy bear twist here. Okay, so we need another bubble here so that it will stay the ribbon properly. That's it. So we have an instant ribbon. See? The large version of a ribbon that we can create using only one balloon.